Hello, this is Reza, and in this video I want to talk about another special permission that Linux system administrator can grant to the users, which is sticky bit. Uh, the use case for the sticky bit is when a user create a file, no one else can delete that file except that user who create that, even if we give this full permission to that folder and file. Let's go with example to understand this concept better. So here I am as a root in a root folder. I want to create a directory, name it directory 1. Oh, okay, I make a mistake. Directory 1, and I want to give it full access to this directory to everyone. So now everyone have a full access. Let's create two users to understand this concept better. So I create user Reza and I create user John. I have two users and I want to log in as one of the user, create a file, and to see if I can delete that file with the other user or not, which is with this permission, with 777 or full access permission, full read, write, and execute, is most probably possible. So let's log in as John. So now I am John, and I want to create a file, new file in dir1 directory as f1. I forgot that. Okay, hello world, very common test sentence. This is test. Okay, I create a file. Let's double check. ls dir1. Yes, there's a f1 file there, and also we create that. I exit. Now as a root, I was thinking, because this we did not apply SGID here, so the new file does not has a full access permission. So I want to do that one more time, chmod, and this time I add -r, capital R or -r, or recursive. So for the all files in dir1, give it full access. So now everyone has a full access for that file as well. So let's log in as another user to see if we can delete that. So I'm logging as Reza, and I try to check if I have a full access. So I want to add something to that file. Let's see if it's possible. I can write. Okay, I make it dir instead of dir1. So add the text to this, and let's see if I can read that file. Yes, hello world, this is this, and add the text to this. So I was able to read, I was able to execute, and also I was able to write. So I have full access, and also I am able to delete that. dir1, I forgot one, and f1. Boom, the file deleted. Let's see. ls dir1, nothing there. Okay, this shouldn't be happen. So that's why we have sticky bit here. So only the user who create the file. In this case, John was creating the file, so only John was supposed to delete that file, be able to delete that file, not Reza. And now we want to apply the sticky bit and to see. To save time, let's Reza create a file this time. So cat, I'm not sure if I have permission or not, but let's try. And F2. Okay, I do not have the permission for that folder, that file. Oh, okay. I make a mistake here, which is very common. So I create a new file. Let's check to see if we can delete this file. Let's see. And I create a file, so I exit. Now as a root, because this file is again is created, I give it full access, full permission. I suppose do SGID, but I'm not going to do that. I want to go very simple way. But in reality, we should give the SGID, so we do not have to every time give the full access. So we put it all the users in a specific group, and we give a full access to that group. Anyway, so let's do the sticky bit now. So we do chmod o plus t, and I give it to this directory, dir1. That was it. So I give the sticky bit for that folder, for that directory. So remember, a sticky bit, we can apply that on the directory, not the file. But USID, if you remember, we should apply on an executable file, not the directory. So let's see. Reza create that file. Let's log in as John. So let's see. John can can see that file, can read, write, and execute. I believe can, but let's see. It was dir1, and I think it was F2. Yes, so I can execute it. So I add text and let's read that file. Yeah, let's check to see if we can delete. So John has full access to this file as well, so can read, can write, can execute. Let's see if John can delete that file. rm dir1 and F2. So it asks cannot remove. They give you error. I thought it's asked you want to sure to delete or not, so it's not. It says cannot remove, an operation not permitted. So John is not able and not permitted to delete that file because John is not a creator for that file. This concept we call sticky bit permission. So I hope you understand this concept, and this one of the very important and one of the very basic but very important topics in Linux administration. And thank you for watching this video.